wants to add to that.
Kuongerereka guotonga wa maminista mamwe maria mamuritwo ringi ndundu-ini ya maminista utongoria wongererekete gatagati ka mirioni 87 nginyagia mirioni 150 hari o umwe wao ihinda-ini ria mieri 21 riria marari a minista ni gutumurite ciuria cia uma wa utongo ucio na uria maraterebaga ministry ciao. Soipan Tuya uria wamuritwo ta minista wa ugitiri wa mihaka augite utonga wake thiini wa mieri 21 mihituku wongererekete na ciringi mirioni 87 amwe akioya giturwa kia minista wa maria maturigiceirie warugamire ciringi mirioni 156. Aden Duale akiongerera wake na ciringi mirioni 130 kuma ciringi mirioni 851 mieri 21 mihituku.
Pieces of lands both in Garissa and Nairobi, my house in Nairobi, my house in Garissa, my cattle ranch in Garissa, my rental property in Nairobi and Garissa, my shares in family-owned business, my camels.
Toga wa minista Mwamure Kithure Kindiki niguo ratumurire ndereti ino yothe thutha wake kuga toga wake ukurite na ciringi mirioni 150 amwe agithurwo mieri 21 mihituku ari no toga wa ciringi mirioni 544 na riu eno toga wa mirioni 694 na nitakuga o mweri urongererekaga na ciringi mirioni 7. Ciuria icio cia muingi igicungereria kamiti ya guthurima ndundu ya maminista itetere iguru ria kiria kiratuma moria ciuria ciigi utonga.
And the fact that you declare your wealth is not for use now but for use in future. If, let's say, your wealth that you declared at the time of entering office, if there is alleged corruption against you, that is used to assess.
The question that has come up is, let's say you have worked for 30 years and you made a wealth of 400 million. And you have worked for 2 years and you have made a wealth of 150 million. So that's the comparison that they are looking at. If you explain how you made that 150, there is no harm, Mr. Speaker.
Maugite gutonga ti mahitia na ona makera muingi kwaya gukorwo ona amwe a ambunge amemba kamiti no maya gukorwo mari atongu gukira aria marathurimwo.
If these honorable members also here declared their wealth, there are others who are worth much more than that. Like my friend here, Junet.
Mr. Speaker, I'm aware that Ishungwa is worth 5 billion as of now. So
why are you understating him?
No, Honorable Speaker, I was wondering why he's understating.
Why are you understating him?
Richness is not a crime, as you say. I agree with you. And poor is dangerous.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV jitagwo Jenga wa Wambui.
After the third.